dears, today in our English class we are going to discuss about the topic sentence. Do you know what a sentence is? So a sentence is defined by meaning. A sentence is a complete thought. By function, a sentence consists of a subject and a predicate. A group of words that makes complete sense is called a sentence, and a sentence has a subject and a predicate in it. Okay, it has subject and a predicate. A sentence is nothing but it is a group of words. It gives complete meaning to the speaker, to the listener. Okay, dears. So, yes, what a subject is. The naming part of a sentence is the subject. It tells who or what the sentence is about. Okay. So, subject is a naming word. It is otherwise called as noun. It may indicate name of a person, place, thing, animal, birds, ideas, etc. Okay. It may, and subject also a word or a group of word. Next, predicate. Predicate, the telling part of a sentence is the predicate. It tells what happened. So predicate is a telling part about a sentence. Predicate must start with a verb. For example, in this example sentence, the rabbit ate the carrot. So here the rabbit is subject, ate the carrot is predicate. Here the predicate is started with the verb ate. Okay, ate is a past form of the action word eat. Okay, here the subject comes along with the article the. So look at this. Subject have two parts. One is subject and sentence have two parts. One is subject, another one is predicate. Subject may be noun or pronoun. Predicate start with verb. The subject is the who or what the sentence is about. The predicate tells what the subject does. For example, the big green frog. It is a group of word, but it is subject. Jumped across the log. It is a predicate. My sweet grandmother. Here it is subject. Wore a blue dress is a predicate. The old shake is a subject. Below over in the wind is a predicate. Look at this example sentences. Now we are going to discuss about the topic sentence pattern. Okay. The sentence pattern is nothing but it is a structure of the sentence. Sentence patterns is a structure of the sentence. So there are 5 important components in a sentence. They are subject, verb, object, complement and adverbial. What are they? SVOCA. It is shortly known as SVOCA. Okay. We have already discussed what a subject is. So subject is a naming word. It is otherwise known as noun. Okay. So to get subject, we have to ask the question who, and subject comes before the verb. Subject answers the question who and it comes before the verb. For example, Nancy danced well. Here Nancy is a subject. It is a naming word of a girl. The child broke the glass. So here the child is a subject. So what a subject is? So a subject consists of noun or pronoun. Either noun or pronoun. Pronoun is an instead. Okay, pronoun is an instead of noun. I, we, you, they, she, it or pronouns. Okay. So the only maybe it is a noun or maybe it is a noun in a group word or group of word, or else it is a pronoun. And a subject occurs before a verb. Next one, verb. A definition of verb is, and in every sentence the most important word is the verb. Okay, a verb shows action or activity or work done by the subject. So it is an action or activity or work which is done by the subject. Okay, so in verb we have three kinds. One is be form and another one is main form, main verbs, or else auxiliary verb plus main verb. Okay, in example sentence, he is a doctor. Here his is a be form auxiliary. What are be form auxiliaries? Am, is, or present be form auxiliaries. Was and where are past be form auxiliaries. Then main verb. Main verb is a action word, direct action word. So here wrote is an action word of the write. Okay, it is a past form of the action word write. Okay, then the baby is crying. So here the action verb came along with the auxiliary. Okay, based on the tense it is coming like this. Okay dear, what is, so verb is consist of an auxiliary, or without auxiliary also it will come, or else it is finite verb. Auxiliary. So auxiliary is nothing but it has be form auxiliary, have form auxiliary, and do form auxiliary. Here am, is, or was, where are be form auxiliary. In these am, is, or are present be form auxiliaries. Was and where are past be form auxiliaries. And in have form auxiliaries, has and have are present and add is a past. And in do form auxiliaries, does and do is do or present auxiliaries, did is a past auxiliary. Then modal auxiliaries. Modal auxiliary usually comes in the future tense. Okay, it comes along with the main verb and it indicates the future action. What are modal auxiliaries? What are modal auxiliaries? Can, could, will, would, shall, should, may, might, must. And then semi-modals or quasi-modals. They are dare to, need to, used to, and ought to. Next, finite verbs. Finite verbs are the denoters of an action. Okay, finite verbs denote an action. It is simply the action words. Talk, sing, write, make, dance, play, cook, live, teach, sleep. So these are all indicating the action of the subject. No, so it is having four kinds. We already know. V1, V2, V3 and V4. V1 is present form, V2 is past form, V3 is present participle, and V4 is continuous form, that is V plus ing. Okay, verb occurs after the subject and also verb occurs before the subject. Finite verb may come alone or it will come along with the auxiliary verbs. Next one is object.